Okay, we have a Bridgeport vertical milling machine, model Series 1, serial number BR283302. This machine was new in 2000. It was a Millennium machine. We have an Accurite 3-axis digital readout for longitudinal and cross table travels and vertical knee travel. You also have a Mitutoyo readout for the QUILL. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a special Millennium paint job from the factory. He's running the table cross travel, longitudinal travel with the servo power feed. There it goes. It's going to run back the other way. You can see it on the DRO. That's cross travel with the, you see on the digital readout, and the vertical knee travel, which is also on the digital readout, both ways. Machine has a quick switch 30 taper spindle. We have a few of the tool holders there with it. We're running it right now in the high range, and he's feeding it up. Now we're feeding it down. Yep, you can see on the digital readout of the QUILL. That's the brake. He's putting it into low gear, and that's low gear. Down. Yep, okay. Yep. All right. Thank you for watching the video.